Okay, hello everyone. So, if you've been able to keep up with the updates and been a supporter of the Stark family, thank you. We have reached almost 600, 10 plus users on Stark right now. Thank you for your support. So, Stark has been a place where people could post their projects and people could view, like, support uh, on their projects, whether it's a design or a video or a new development they did, application or website, anything like that, right? Creator wise. And they can also post their blogs or share their thoughts. Actually, this is specific blog by Kia Plus has gotten a lot of traction, even more than what most of our projects, the oldest projects in Stark, have gotten. So it's a pretty popular feature as well, and we're happy that you have that. So we've added a new feature so that you're not just getting likes and views out of Stark. You could actually get financial support or, like, let's say, reward out of the things you did. So if you go into the settings section and go to this specific settings tab, you will see a resource uplink section, which you can now enable. We're currently working on Stripe integration, but if you're living in Ethiopia, you probably would know the Gusha Plus integration or the Gusha Plus, kind of, it's sort of like a buy me a coffee company, but for more local market. So yeah, the Gusha Plus is now integrated on Stark. So all you need to do to let people finance your project or support you through Gusha on Stark is you just add your ID or your username here, and then you'll just activate it. After you do that, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna log out of this account to show you, because you can't support yourself for us to track that and uh, reduce fraud. So as you can see, I'm logged in as a new user, right? With a new user account. So here, let me just search for the other user. We just put Gushahan Balon. So if you go to their public profile, I'll show you what will happen next. But let's just open this project, right? This is a project made by me, as you can see, and what you can do is you can see a new button appear here. It says fuel this node, and if you click on it, basically what fuel this node means is just you're supporting the motor that's driving this creation, right? So you could use Teleber, you could use CBeaver, or M-Pesa if you're living in Ethiopia, but you could use also a MasterCard if you're living abroad. So yeah, you could use this to support this creator on this project, so that they get motivated and continue to push forward with their creation. Another thing you could do is, sorry, let me log out again and I'll show you. Okay, so as you can see, I've logged in with IndyMaro's account. So I will go to the settings, and there is a new option here which will let you enable uh, this button. What this button does, or what this toggle does, is it will, if you toggle it on, everybody can see how much you have received through Starks and through Gusha Plus on a Stark account. So just like how Upwork works, you could let people see your income through here, but you could toggle it off if you don't want to. So if a person toggle this on, what will happen is on your public profile, let me go to the public profile. So on the public profile, there's going to be a new section that's going to show up, which says network fuel here, right? So people will see, and this will increment as you get more and more. So yeah, it's going to be part of your profile. And another thing which is currently in progress, and we will integrate maybe in the next 2 or 3 days, is the financial telemetry, so that you could track how much you have received. As you can see, it's currently in development because of the SDK of Kusha Plus, and so you can track how much income that you've received through every payment system that we're going to integrate, whether it's a USD or in Ethiopian birr. You could track that. And yeah, before this video ends, thank you a lot, or shout out to Gusha Plus for creating this amazing integration. It was a pretty uh, good experience integrating this into Stark. So yeah, thank you all.